Hi, do you want to become fluent in English? But there is none to practice? Don't worry, I'm here to help you with that. I learned English by myself. I studied in a rural village and I had none to practice or learn English from. So, what I did is very simple. They are a little daily habits that I applied in my life. I'm an author. I wrote 3 books so far in English. I'm also a podcaster. I interviewed many inspiring personalities. So, today I'm here to share my personal tips that worked for me to speak in English fluently. So, let's get started. First, in the morning, you need to study English only just for 15 minutes. Maybe it's a podcast or maybe a beautiful scene in your favorite English movie. You just have to listen to those dialogues or the podcast for 15 minutes and pause that. If that's a movie scene, pause there and just come back and rewind it and practice those dialogues and with emotion feel. Do that for 21 days every day. So after that, change your phone to English and always read English newspapers and just 15 minutes a day. And in the night, just write some sentences that you feel inside. Write something around you or something that you are feeling like, I'm really happy today because my friend visited me, or maybe I watched a beautiful movie today, or I really had a great time with my family. Write it down in the evening. In those small things, you will learn English so much. So put those grammar books aside for a while and practice real and natural English. Before ending this video, I really want to tell you, just practice with yourself in the mirror. Just practice and pretend that you're speaking to someone very important. Speak in English. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be really heartful. So apply these tips and comment something that resonated with you, that I told you my tips. So don't forget to comment in this video and also watch my podcasts. I will also link those in the description box below. And thank you so much for watching my video. And for more inspiring videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like it. Bye. See you in the next video.